ventilation brackets measure evenly to desired height. Hold each bracket up to wall and mark each screw location. Zebra shade. Mount end brackets 1.5 inch above window frame and 2 inches in. Center the middle bracket and place it 1.5 inch above window frame. Roller shade. Mount each end bracket 1.5 inch above and to the side of the window frame. 2 inch forward. Mount each end bracket 1.5 inch above and to the side of the window frame. Center the center support bracket 1.5 inch above window frame. Drill holes for screws with a 3/16 inch drill bit. Place anchors into pre-drilled holes. Screw brackets securely into place. Attach the shade to the brackets. Make sure to secure a child safety clip.